In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit funds directly to your ByBit account using the different payment methods available on the ByBit exchange. If you don't have a ByBit account, check the link in the description section, or you can go to the comment section, check the link to create one and follow the process. If you have any question at the end of this video, don't hesitate, drop them in the comment section. I'm going to respond within 24 hours. Without wasting time, let's do this.
So when you log into your ByBit account, this is what you're going to see. Alright, you're going to see at the top here, deposits slash what buy with fiat. Fiat basically means what? The euro, the dollar, your currency. Alright, you can watch episode 1, alright, to understand more. So you are going to see this. If let's say you don't see the deposit slash buy with fiat, you can tab here where you see more. Alright, you just tab here and you're going to see what? Buy crypto. You can deposit, buy crypto, P2P trading, and what? Fiat deposit. So I'll go back and I'll tab deposit. Alright, so you are going to see now it depends on the country where you're staying. There are going to be what? Different forms of what? Payment method. Alright, but you should have what? Verify your ByBit. If you have not watched what how to verify your ByBit, create and verify your ByBit account, make sure you watch the video on this playlist. So you can see buy with TR. This is the Turkish lira. Why they are showing me TRY, the Turkish lira, is because I'm currently staying in Turkey. Alright, if you are in Nigeria, they will show you the Nigerian naira. If you're in Ghana, they will show you the Ghana cedis. Alright, the South African around, depending on your country. If you're in Sierra Leone, then they are going to show you you need a USD account. Alright, or you can also like use other payment forms. You are going to see the country. Alright, the payment form depending on where you open your ByBit account. Now you can see buy with TRY. You can use your Visa, your MasterCard, and JB are supported. You can also use what? P2P trading, alright, with zero fees, which basically means what? Bank transfer, and you can deposit with what? Your local currencies. Probably you have Orange Money or other local ways for you to deposit money. So let's try to use this first way and see. So buy with TRY, this is basically just one click. Alright, so now you enter, you can see what do you want to buy. It's going to be what? In USDT. As mentioned in episode 1, the crypto terminologies, I mentioned what is what? Stable coin. Alright, so you need to watch the first episode so you can understand more. Let's say they can show you what the minimum, which means for a year in Turkey, I can pay at least 30 Turkish lira to 940,000 Turkish lira. So if I enter 10 Turkish lira, it's not going to go. I need to enter at least the minimum of what? 30, which means I'm going to receive 0. This. Alright, or you can also use what? The P2P. This one is more fast, it has zero fees. So let's start being the P2P trading. Alright, this is the P2P trading. So now you are going to see what? You have buy and you have what? Sell. Alright, so you are going to focus on buy. You want to what? Buy. Alright, so you are going to buy what? USDT. You can either buy USDT, you buy USDC, you what? Buy Bitcoin, you buy Ethereum or C. So we are going to buy USDT. One USDT is equivalent to what? $1. Okay, so you are going to enter the amount. You press here and you enter the amount. All right, the amount you want to like buy. So now let's say I want to buy 500 Turkish lira. I'm going to tab in confirm. These ones are the people that are ready to sell to me the 500 what? And the 500 Turkish lira. This one they say I'm ineligible. So you are going to scroll and you what? This one is selling 1 USDT. Alright, it's going to be 30.24 what? Turkish lira. Alright, so now you can see this one have ordered 261 orders, all right, and 94% rate, which is like really good. If you want to buy, you need to look at all those things. You can just scroll down, look at the fees. The fees might be different. You see this one is selling for 30.40, this is 30.49. So make sure you go to the one that's as cheap as possible. So this one here you can see here is what? 30.24 Turkish lira. So the next thing you are going to do now is you are going to tab what? Buy. All right, you tab in buy. So you are going to enter the amount again and they are going to show you I'm going to receive 16 Turkish lira, USDT, sorry. Okay, I'm going to receive 16 USDT. But before that, before like I just proceed with this one, I want to show you my balance. So you guys are going to see this. I have 4.61 Turkish, sorry, USD. All right, sorry, I mean I'm used to the Turkish lira here. So 4.61. All right, um, USD. For when I deposit, you guys are going to confirm whether I receive the payment or not. So I'm going again here, and you just have to agree to this, and you enter the amount again, the same process. So I want to buy 500 Turkish lira. All right, then I will go again here, and I will just what tab in what these are the different forms of payment. You can see we have what QNB, this is a bank in Turkey, Enpara, Deniz Bank, Vakif Bank, each bank. In your country, they are going to show you the banks that are available. All right, this is the payment. This are the bank the individual or the seller is receiving funds. You tab in here, and I will enter the amount. Okay, with fiat means you want to pay with your local currency, with your Nigerian naira, Ghana cedi, or South Africa around the Sierra Leone leones, or whichever country. You can also pay with what crypto. You enter the amount if you already have USDT. So now you are going to use your local currency. So I will receive what 16.5344 USDT with zero fees. Okay, so now these coins are going to be deposited in my funding account. These are the transaction info. Good rating. All right, this particular seller is very good. You have completed 261 orders in the last 30 days and 94%, and it just takes 2 minutes to release. So now we just type in what buy. All right, so this is like you can complete your payment within what 13 minutes. So now these are the details. All right, these are the details, and this is what I'm going to say. Now we are going to type in what pay now. So this is what the bank details of what the seller. So I'm going to copy this ones and just send, and I'll come back to you. So I'll copy. All right, I'll copy this, and I'll just like let me just send this to my order number. So I'll just copy this again, paste. All right, go back. So you can just open again, then you copy what the IBAN, and I'll just paste because I'm using this phone for video. So I'll copy this, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to what do the payment, and I'll get back to you guys. So guys, I've just entered to my bank app, and I've just made the deposit. So I'm going to come back here now and say what payment completed. All right, so I just need to tab in to confirm, and I just tab in what payment completed. So the coin will be released in what less than 10 minutes. So let's just wait now and just see. Okay, let's just wait for the coin to be released. So it's just going to take like what 10 minutes. I've already like what made the payment. I'll try to show receipt of the I'll try to show the receipt, all right, somewhere in the video. So as you can see now, P2P transaction has been completed, all right, in less than what 2 minutes. Okay, so you can just what completed. I've received what 16.53, all right, the exact amount, and I'm going to tab in what done. Okay, and I will just tab in what go back. All right, so you can just like go back, and you can just come in. Now you see, as earlier I said I have what 4.61, right? So now the amount has been credited to my funding wallet. Okay, so this is my funding wallet, and this is what my unified trading, this is advanced. Well, currently if you're a beginner, probably you might just see what about 4 different forms of wallet. You are going to see spot wallet, you are going to see derivative wallet. This is an upgrade version. All right, so if you are a beginner, please don't upgrade. If they say you upgrade to unified trading, don't upgrade. I'm going to explain more. So guys, basically this is how you deposit fund into your ByBit account. Okay, you can just use the same payment method. All right, you can use the P2P is okay, and this one is what also like what okay. I'm going to show you the receipt of payment. All right, on like anywhere it's going to appear on the screen. So if you find value in this particular video, ensure please you subscribe to the channel, and if you have questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. Please ensure to like this video, share this video, and if you have not joined our Telegram community, check the description section and join our Telegram. I'll be sharing free signals, alright, so we can trade together. Happy New Year and have a blessed day. See you on my upcoming videos. Thank you.